My name is Jitenda Narayan. I'm basically from northern province of India. I'm doing bioinformatics research here under the guidance of Dennis Larkin. So I'm working on comparative mammalian genome analysis, and my current work is to analyze the pig genome and look at the breakpoint region. The breakpoint region is beneficial to understand the genome evolution. So I am currently identified 192 breakpoint region in pig genome that leads to an understanding of pig genome evolution. We have large-scale genome analysis opportunity in IVOS. Especially if you look at the facilities, we have a very highly qualified researchers, well-designed research labs. In my bioinformatics labs, we have 4 or 5 newly joined PhD students. So that is really helpful because we all sit together and discuss with each other during our work in hours as well. So this is okay, but sometimes we also organize some of the activities outside of the lab and discuss our projects. If you are in PhD research works, please be in contact with the supervisor. He is your companion, he is your friends. And if you are in a loop with your supervisor, you gain a lot of knowledge. You will learn a lot of new things that you need to learn during your PhD. Back in India, we have different temperatures. So in India, we have very high temperatures. But in UK, especially in Aberystwyth, I found out the temperature is very low, and I really love this place because of the environment, because of the friendly environment in town. In Aberystwyth, especially in IVOS, we have very well qualified and highly qualified professionals who not only instruct you but also help you to also motivate you to learn new things, new stuffs in IVOS. So I highly recommend the new PhD students to join IVOS.